Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will try to understand that after the completion of this bullish shark pattern, what the price action can do next. In my previous video, I told you that the price action has completed a bullish shark pattern after the bad pattern. And we will also watch on the different support and resistance levels on the daily chart. This is the 2-day chart. And we will also watch the different simple moving averages on the daily chart and this pattern that has been broken down finally. And at the end of this video, I will also like to recall this really very big symmetrical triangle that is formed on the weekly chart, and this is a multi-years based triangle that was started since 2017. First of all, I would like to recall my previous idea with you guys when I told you that the price action of Bitcoin is likely to complete the final leg of Gartley pattern when the price action was moving between $9,800 to $10,000, and I told you that the price action can have a drop. And on 8th of June, I posted this idea, and you can see that the price action completed the final leg, and in fact, this was the bad pattern. And after that, I just followed up this chart, and I just posted another follow-up chart where I told you that this was in fact a bad pattern. Now, if I take you back to my previous article and the chart patterns that I shared with you in my previous video as well, where the price action completed the formation of bullish shark pattern. At that time, it was completing the formation of bullish shark pattern, and this was the previous bad pattern. And after entering the potential reversals on the price action, took a bullish divergence, and after reaching almost at $9,800, the price action dropped down again. And in the meanwhile, the price action also started the formation of another bullish shark pattern, and this was the bullish shark pattern. In my previous video, I just shared this pattern with you on the 12-hour chart. Now it can be reflected up to a daily chart as well. Therefore, on the live chart, I am just going to discuss this chart pattern with you on this daily chart. And finally, we can see now the price action. For example, if I play this idea, then we can see that price action has completed this final leg of bullish shark. And this potential reversal zone of bullish shark starts from $8,979 and ends up to almost $8,809. And so far, the price action has spiked up to $8,830 as per Bitstamp exchange. If I'll remove this header from here, then we can you can see very clear the lowest price level here. That is $8,830 as per Bitstamp exchange, and now the price action is moving above this potential reversal zone. Now we can expect an upward move from here because this is the potential reversal zone of shark pattern. And let's see whether the price action, for example, we can expect at least the upward move from that should be the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. That can be almost, if I play this Fibonacci tool here, that can be almost from $9,200 almost up to $9,600. However, if the price action will be able to cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level or projection, then we can expect a really very powerful bullish divergence or next bullish rally, powerful bullish rally. That can be more powerful than the previous one. However, this potential reversal zone should be as a stop loss, because if this potential reversal zone or this support of the potential reversal zone will be broken down, then the price action can move to the previous support level that is almost at $8,200. And this is the level where we have our previous support. We can see it on this is the 2-day chart, and we have the previous support of $8,200. This time the price action is the support of $8,800. And if the price action will be moved up from here, then we have our next resistance level at $9,500. And this time the price action is moving between $8,800 up to $9,500. So this is a kind of channel formation that the price action is likely to form in the near future. And if this 9500 resistance will be broken out, then we have definitely the next resistance, the strongest resistance at $10,000 that the price action is not able to break out so far. When the price action broke down this resistance, this support after September 2019, then we can see since after that the price action, even after several attempts, not able to break out this 10,000 resistance level. And if this $8,200 support will be broken down, then the price action can next move to the previous support at $7,500. And if we watch the different simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200, then there is bad news that the price action has broken down the 25 and 50 simple moving averages, so it can move down all the way up to this previous support of the moving averages of 100 and 200, and these moving averages are almost at $8,200. However, the good news is that if we watch this position of the this red one, the 100 simple moving average has crossed up the 200 simple moving average. So this is a golden cross between the 200 and 100 simple moving averages. Whenever the small time period moving average crosses up from the downside, the bigger time period moving average, so this is the bull cross, and this is considered as a really very strong buying signal. And this is a bull cross between the 100 and the 200 simple moving averages. So we can expect that it will be a really very good support, unless this small time period moving average, that is a 100 simple moving average, will be not crossed down again this 200, the bigger time period simple moving average. So that will be a bear cross, then, and that can be a bearish signal or sell signal. However, at this time we have the strong bullish signal by these simple moving averages. For example, if the price action will be moved up to this level, then we can expect that then the price action can have a strong bullish bounce from this support of these two simple moving averages. Now, if we want this pennant support, that is very obviously broken down. I was expecting that the price action will again take another bounce from here. In my previous video that I shared with you on 21st of June, and I told you that once we will have these bullish signals, for example, this MACD will be turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and we will receive a bull cross from the stochastic, and this momentum indicator will be started turning bullish from bearish, then we can expect an upward move up to this resistance of the pennant. And even I was expecting a spike up to $10,000, and we can see that the MACD started turning bullish. We received a bull cross by the stochastic as well on 22nd of June, and on 22nd of June we also received the bullish signal by the momentum as well. You can see that it was a really very strong bearish, and it was turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and the price action moved up to the resistance of this channel almost at $9,800. I was expecting this spike up to $10,000, but this was up to $9,800 and dropped down again up to this support, and we can see that all these signals reversed back to bearish, and finally now the price action has crossed down or broke down this support of the channel, this pennant. Now if we watch this really very big symmetrical triangle that is formed on the on the weekly chart, this is really very important chart that I am sharing with you almost in every video. Then we can see that the resistance of this symmetrical triangle has become a really very strong rejection line since 2017. We can see whenever the price action reaches up to this resistance level, it is being rejected again and again. For example, here in 2017, in 2019, it has been rejected 2 times. In March, in Feb, it was almost reached at this level, but at that time the markets were moving down. Therefore, with all other markets, the Bitcoin also dropped down in the month of March, Feb to March, and now finally it is being rejected in current month after having several attempts for the breakout. And we can see on this weekly chart we have the third bearish candlestick. But this is really very important signal that we have. The 25 simple moving average is crossing up the 50 simple moving average. At this time, there is a little bit difference or distance between these two moving averages. We can expect this golden cross or bull cross very soon. And once this bull cross will be formed, then we will have the smallest time period, that is 25 above all. Then we will have the 50, then we have 100, then we will have the 200, the biggest time period moving average below all the moving averages. And we will have a complete formation of an alligator opened mouth like we had here back in 2016 to 2017. And after that, we had witnessed a really very big parabolic move, and the price action reached up to this resistance of the symmetrical triangle. And we can expect such really very big bullish move after that. And we have this 50 simple moving average support at this time at almost $8,700, and the 25 simple moving average support almost at $8,300. Once these supports will be broken down, then we will have the next support at $7,200. That is the 100 simple moving average on this weekly chart. And after that, we have the 200 simple moving average, the most strongest support ever in the history of the Bitcoin, that is never ever broken down in the history of the Bitcoin since it is appeared in the history of the Bitcoin. You can see it was appeared back in 2015 almost here, and since then it is never has been broken down. The price action even retested this 200 simple moving average here as a support and moved up all the way more than 340% move. And at this time the price action again had another bounce from here, and once it will be able to, price action will be retraced back up to this level, then we can expect another really very powerful bullish bounce, as this is the end of the symmetrical triangle. If we place this measurement tool from the current candlestick, then we can see that at the end of this symmetrical triangle up to this level, we can have 224 days more. But as this symmetrical triangle is really very squeezed at this time, therefore I'm expecting soon the price action will break out or break down this triangle. There are more chances that the price action will break out because we have really very strong supports below the price action at this time. So this was the update so far. If I will have more updates by the price action of Bitcoin, more developments, I'll definitely share with you. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, guys, and do share your questions. You can ask your questions, you can share your opinions, and you can also share your comments in the comment section with me. And if you like the video, then do subscribe to my channel as well, and take care. Goodbye.